What's up, everyone? Welcome to Pal's channel. So right now we're taking horses out, and this boy is pretty anxious to get out. Oh, we're going, don't worry. Perfecto! Come on, Carter. You's a good boy. You's a good boy. You gotta watch out too when you're walking horses on concrete like this. It can be dangerous. Especially with shoes on. Not fun. Well, not for them anyway. You ready, George? This is a quarter horse. This is the only quarter horse we have here. I love quarter horses. Oh, your bottle is spraying everywhere. Come on, let's go. Good boy. Go, Georgie. Hey, Ladero. They are always excited every morning. Woo! You running and going crazy? Woo, Ladero. He's a good boy. Spray. Right there. He always gives me problems wanting to put his stuff on. He's like, no, I don't want to go outside. Come here. Hey, back up. I don't know. No. Easy. Just like that. I just don't know why he does not like it. Come here. Hey, it's okay. Back up on me. Come on. We're going, don't worry. Aggie. Come on, Haggy. No. No. Come here. Good boy. No. Don't move. Be still. Easy now. Easy. Easy. Well, he's so tall when you go to put that fly mask on, everything just goes right in your eyes. Because him's a big boy and he knows it. It's hard to reach him. He's so damn tall. Come here. This chain is going to keep him from acting crazy. He does not like to be sprayed too. He does not like it. Easy. Hey, look, you want to smell? Don't look at it. It's okay. He's just a skittish horse. I don't know why. Ain't no one here gonna hurt him. It's okay. Easy, easy. All right, ready? You ready, Haggy? Oh, let's go. Let's be good now. He's just so like ready. He is ready always. When one goes crazy, they all go crazy. It's like an energy just bolts right through every one of them. Easy. Whoa. Work on in. All right, go play. Go do your thing. All right, guys, so right now I'm getting ready to empty the tractor from doing the stalls. I have to empty that, which that's a new spreader my boss just got. So I can't wait to see how it does. The other one we got is all broken down, so let's get to emptying the thing. So that is the spreader. Works really good. It threw shit all over me. I like it though. I think it's a really good one. But it absolutely froze the shit. It was slinging all the way up there on me. We usually go down a road to empty all this, but it's really muddy and really don't want to get stuck. But alright, let's get back to work. Alright guys, so right now going to be getting shavings. We put shavings in all the stalls once we're done with the stalls at the end. So yeah, this is what we use for the stalls. I mean, it's not bad looking sawdust, and there is some like little chunks in it. It's more like shavings and sawdust together. But yeah, you always want to make sure you just have a good bedding for them. But other than that, yeah, this is what we use to put in our stalls. Oop, missed like this one. So right now I'm just running through putting hay in their hay nets and emptying buckets. We have another barn to do, but I don't think I'm going to record that just because we already done the same thing. So right now I'm just going to be putting the hay in the hay bags and emptying buckets, and I'll see you guys here in a bit. Alright, so I'm walking down right now to get the tractor. Go ahead and start letting it fill up to water the horses outside. So I'm right now getting ready to go around and fill up the water tubs outside. So go ahead and get to it. Attach it. It's a little stiff at the end. I don't trust that thing at all. Alright, so that's it. With the water anyway, still a few more things to get done today. Alright everyone, so I just got done with the old guys. Fed them. So now our Kubota is broke down, so the only way I can take hay up to the barn is use the tractor. I'm going to put the hay bales on a pallet. Very good. Yeah, you can ride back down with me.
She wanted to come with me now.
I'm tired. So we're gonna take Smidgy, the mares, outside. These girls get to go out there in the night. Don't forget to spray. Almost did. This is just keep the flies off. Hang on, big girl. Hang on, hang on. All right. Yeah, you can see the other mares out there. This is where they go all night. They come in the morning. All right, guys, if you made it this far in my video, I appreciate it. So stay tuned for next week. I try to post a video, I don't know, horse farm stuff with horses and then my reptile stuff. But please go to my channel, like and subscribe, and leave a comment on what you want to see in my videos. I mean, I have a lot going on, but whatever you guys want to see, just leave a comment, let me know. But I'll see you guys on the next one.